Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create pop-up inside a page in Divi theme builder in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Divi visual builder. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin and then in search plugin write pop-up for Divi. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. Go to Divi page and refresh the page first. So you can create section or you can convert section for pop-up. Now you see this section and then you see setting. So click on section setting. Now you see pop-up. So click on it. Now you see general. So again click on it. Now you see this is a pop-up, enable this option and then you see pop-up ID. So you can add pop-up ID according to your requirement. So I added pop-up page. Now copy and then you see behavior, close on background click, close other pop-ups and then you see close button, yes, button color. So you can customize setting according to your requirement and then you see layout. And then you see visibility. If you want you can disable on phone, tablet, desktop. Now save. Now you see this section is converted into pop-up. Now scroll up. Now you see button. So click on it and then you see setting. So again click on it and now you see link. So click on it and then you see button link URL. So we are going to add pop-up ID. Now add hash and then pop-up ID. Now you see pop-up page with hash and then click on save changes and then click on save. Now setting saved. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see button. So click on it. Now you see pop-up. So by using plugin we created pop-up inside page. Now close. Again click on button. Now you see pop-up show. So this is our section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.